let me know if any of this sounds familiar. You've found a shampoo bar recipe online that has glowing reviews in the comments, but you don't have one of the surfactants it calls for. Can you replace it with a different one? Not sure. Also, the creator's hair is quite different from yours, so will their formulation work for you? And you've got a new hair care active you'd love to use. Can you include it? And how? And also, in the video, the creator uses a fancy, expensive press to shape the bars, which is very cool, but you don't have one. Do you need it? I struggled with all of these problems and more when I first started making shampoo bars. All the different surfactants were frankly overwhelming. I found lots of different methods and straight up conflicting advice. And I made lots of shampoo bars that were frustrating and messy to put together and resulted in bars that never got hard enough to last long in the shower. Isn't this supposed to be fun? Gah! Then I expanded my research and started looking at how big brands like Lush make their shampoo bars. I realized they were doing something quite different from what I'd been doing, and their way was easier and honestly way more fun. That was just the starting point though. I've spent years expanding on and refining how I make my shampoo bars. I've learned a lot about what works and doesn't, and discovered several things you might have heard are impossible are not only possible, but freaking awesome. And now I want to share all that knowledge with you, so you can start creating your very own shampoo bar formulations. I want you to stop following formulations from people like me, hey now, and start creating your own rock-hard, long-lasting shampoo bars using ingredients that you can get that you're excited about. So, on November 12th, 2023 at 3 p.m. MST, 5 p.m. EST, I'll be holding a live 90-minute workshop that'll show you how to create completely custom, super sudsy shampoo bars that make your hair feel soft and manageable without any fancy equipment. In the workshop, you'll start to create your very first shampoo bar formulation from the ground up, and we'll go through everything you need so you can begin formulating the shampoo bars of your dreams. I've been teaching online for over a dozen years, and have also given talks and workshops at live events like the Handcrafted Soap and Cosmetic Guild Annual Conference, the Mother Earth News Fair, and the Handcrafted Bath and Body Guild Annual Conference. This will be my first live digital workshop, and I am so excited to get really in-depth with all of you, regardless of geography. I'm also including a completely free shampoo bar formulation cheat sheet as a bonus. This helpful PDF is packed with formulation guidelines, troubleshooting help, must-have ingredients, substitution information, my favorite suppliers, and more. But hurry! There are limited early bird spaces available pre-launch, and if you want to take advantage of the live Q&A after the workshop, you've got to be at the live event. The workshop will be available to purchase on demand afterwards, but you will miss out on having your sudsy questions answered. I am so excited to share this with you. Click the link below to learn more and book your space. I'll hopefully see you soon. Happy making!